Welcome back in this Chapter 20 video tutorial in VBA and macro. In this chapter, we will learn do until loop. To explain do until loop, I have used the similar example that I used in do while loop. Do until loop is the opposite of do while. So if you have not watched do while loop, watch that tutorial first so that it will be easy to understand do until. Do while tutorial link is in video description below. In do while loop, the code was iterated while the condition is true. And here in case of do until, code will iterate while the condition is false. In other words, code will iterate until the condition is true. In this line of code, in case of do while, there was not equal to blank. But here it is equal to blank. If the cell is not blank, code will repeat. As soon as it finds a blank cell, code will stop to repeat. Let's run this code. 5 is added to each cell values. Run it again. Another 5 is added. Let's expand the list. Then run the code. 5 is added with these new numbers too. So, this is how we use do until loop in VBA. In the next chapter, we will learn how to use if statement in VBA. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.